Hi, I'm Christine, the Senior Content Marketing Manager at Screencast Matic. Screencast Matic's free screen recorder is used by millions around the world, from educators to businesses to bloggers. There's so much that you can do with a screen recording. You can create how-to videos, product demos, marketing videos, video tutorials. There's so much that you can do. I'm going to show you how to use our free screen recorder and how easy it is for you to be set up within minutes. So let's get started. Head to screencast-o-matic.com. On the website, you'll notice a ton of great information about Screencast-o-matic, on how it can help you, our tips and tricks, and our extensive video library of tutorials can also be found here. Head to the top of the page. You'll see this button, Start Recording for Free. Let's go ahead and click on that button. You will be directed to our screen recorder page. To launch the free recorder, click on the orange button. A pop-up will appear letting you know that the recorder is being launched. If for some reason the recorder doesn't launch in your browser, you have the option to download it. This will set up your computer to show the recorder. Within seconds, you'll notice the recorder on your screen. Before we record, let's go over the controls. In the record box, you'll find several options. Clicking on Screen allows you to record anything within the recording frame. Clicking on Webcam allows you to record you. Clicking on both allows for the recording for both your screen and the webcam. Oftentimes, this is used when someone wants to point out something on the screen but also wants to display his or her face. The maximum time for each recording is 15 minutes, which you'll notice here in max time. If you need more time, we suggest that you upgrade so that you can record for as long as you want. Next, you can adjust the size of your recording frame with preset sizes, from 480p, 720p, or the active window or full screen. You can also adjust the recording frame by dragging the sides or corners here. Next is narration. The Screencast-o-matic app will detect standard microphones you have connected to your computer. You can choose an audio source by clicking on the options listed. The free recorder only captures narration. With an upgrade, you can include computer audio. By clicking on Preferences, you'll be able to personalize your own settings. You can set up hotkeys or shortcuts to some of our popular controls. I've already set up a web image of a world map to record. As you can see, I can move around the recorder frame. I can drag and drop the recorder frame to my desired size, or I can pick from these sizes here. When you hit record, you'll notice a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and the frame will turn from dotted black line to a red one, which indicates that you are recording. One of the features that I use often is the pause button. You can record and hit pause. This is great when you're showing different areas of your screen. In this case, I want to concentrate on this area of my screen. I set that up, and I hit the record button. When you look back at a recording, it looks like I went from one edit to another. You'll also notice these red lines here. This shows each time you've hit pause and record. You can go back and check that piece of video just by clicking anywhere on this bar. When you're done with your recording, just click Done. It will take you to the Video Manager. As part of the free recorder, you have the ability to trim the start or end of your recording. Just drag these bars to your desired length, and anything within this area will be saved or published. Let's turn to this menu here. If you upgrade, you'll be able to unlock powerful edit features with our video editor. You have the ability to add animations, text, arrows, and more. The great thing about our video editor is that it gives you the power to take your recording and create an amazing video. Here's something we created with the video editor. Let's get back to the menu. You have two other options. You can redo the recording and start all over, Or you can cancel the recording and just delete it altogether. You have the ability to add your own captions to your videos during the publish process. By clicking here on CC, you can choose to add your own captions by uploading a captions file. As part of an upgrade, you can use speech to text or type in your own using blank captions. When you are ready to save and publish, all you need to do is to choose from these options. Let's go over them. You can save your recording as a video file. You can choose either an MP4, AVI, or FLV video file. Fill out the file name. You can save your recording in a folder on your computer or laptop and hit Publish. The other option is to save on Screencast-O-Matic's hosting services. You can upload and get a link to share your recording. In order to do this, you'll need to sign up for an account or connect your existing one. If you haven't signed up already, it will direct you to create your own account. You can also sign up from our homepage. If you have a Google account, just click here to connect it. Otherwise, fill in this information and follow the steps to create your account. Once this is all done, you'll be directed back to the menu where you can go ahead and upload to Screencast-O-Matic. When it uploads, you can share the link. You'll also have the option to share on social channels. Now let's head to YouTube. If you haven't connected your account, all you need to do is click on Launch Web Browser and follow the steps. Once that's all done, fill in the information and it will upload directly to your YouTube account. These are not the only options to save and publish your video. By clicking on this plus button, you'll see other options for publishing. There's so much that a deluxe upgrade would do for you. Now that we've shown you how to use our free screen recorder, go ahead and create as many videos as possible. Follow us on Facebook or Twitter, or join us on our blog and video tutorials to gain insight on what you could do better with your videos. Thank you for watching. Create, share, and experience video with Screencast-O-Matic.